So I know all of our Illinois family is really worried about us. So we're going to go out and check out the situation because all the schools are closed. And, you know, we got some torrential weather down here. Oh, man. No school today. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it to work. Yep. I think I'm going to have to make sure UPS can get here in a few days. So we're going to take care of the snow. I got my snow blower here. Tim realized that several years ago when we lived in Illinois, we had to buy ourselves a snow blower because we just were tired of the snow. So we have our trusty old Tennessee snow blower. We're going to take care of this blizzard so we can just keep going on. Okay, so we're out here going to take care of this snow. It's pretty bad out here, so I'm going to fire up the snow blower, get all this taken care of. But you got to be careful so you don't have a heart attack, you know, because doing this can give somebody a heart attack when you're shoveling snow. But yeah, we got this real nice snow blower here. It's really quiet. I'll take a break and go and have some hot chocolate. Maybe even build myself a snowman this afternoon. So I'm not going to be able to make it to work today. But we got that all snow blowed. Hope it doesn't drift back in. But if it does, we'll come out here. We'll make sure that it gets all snow blowed again. So I'm going to sign out for now. Stay safe, people. Stay safe.